Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, last day from July. Let's start with Bitcoin on daily as usual. I could see something there, but on lower time frame. Morning Tolga, morning Shogun, morning Robert, morning Bukur, morning Bova, morning everyone. Okay, so today, first of all, let's start to the beginning. Yeah, today we have big news. Look at here, interest rate, Fed conference. Mostly what that says, stay the fuck out. If you are trying to outsmart the market with some scalps, okay, low risk please. Nobody should exceed 0.5 risk per trade and 1 or 2% max on total. I think is the best solution, especially close to the news. We should be 100% in cash, default position for traders. Pretty simple. Don't play around with big news, because could work once, twice, 10 times. You need just one time to get an ugly slippage and destroy your account. So don't do it. Okay, hope everything is okay on YouTube. Please someone type in the chat if everything is fine. So at the end of the New York session, we have big news. We should stay out. I don't know if I'll live stream tonight, but who knows? We'll see. We have big news in Eurozone in kind of 2 hours and a half. We should pay attention. Not so important, I think, as United States, but still high impact. That means we should be careful. Okay, that's the news. Now let's go back on our charts and see what we have. Well, bearish divergence here. You can see it on daily. Yeah, this one on RSI confirmed already. On OBV confirmed already. Yeah? So now we have a bearish divergence in a short reload zone, but we don't have an M. Not yet. Now let's go and zoom in. We can form an M here. You can see we are bouncing from a long reload zone. We can push here back at 68. Maybe 69, but I don't think so. Candle body highs, usually it's a good location to hunt short ideas. And then maybe we can make a nice M. In the same time, I could see here a head and shoulder pattern, and that means we should not exceed this level, 68,486, to be a valid head and shoulder. Yeah? So how I like my head and shoulders? Well, I like them with bearish divergence between shoulder and head, and we have that. Yeah? Now let's wait for a bounce here. Candle body highs, maybe, I don't know, 67,500, maybe even 68. That will be a good area to go on lower time frame and hunt some short setups. On the other hand, we are back in the range here. So playing the range game, and you can see we are playing Fib Pong here. We are bouncing from a mountain man long reload zone. Nothing special from yesterday. You can see we closed kind of bearish, and now we are trying to bounce back. 67,800 looks like a good level there. You can see here this indecision candle tells us that that's an important level. Okay, now let's look at total. I need to zoom out a little bit. We are still exactly here at we can make a double and push higher, or we can M out and go lower. What will happen? I don't know. Let's wait to find out. Total 2, similar position, you can see, but we are trying to make a W here. If we manage to make a W, then we can think, okay, we should hunt long ideas. Total 3, similar, but you can see it's in the range, it's just playing around. Like I mentioned even on Twitter, this is the level where we want to see close. If we close above this level, then we have more confidence that mini altcoin season maybe will pump until September or something like that. Not pumping in the summer until now makes me think that this cycle will end faster than we expect. Yeah? So in the fall we can have a really nice pump, Bitcoin to, I don't know, 100 and something, 200, and then back down. Who knows? I'm not here to predict the market. I'm here to buy the dip and sell the rip. On the investment part, I want to make some money on the long run, and on the trading part, I want to finish the day or the week at least in profit. Okay, that's that template. Let's take a look here on Ethereum on daily. Well, I was expecting a bounce. We had the bounce and a rejection. Well, we rejected from 61.8. That's a lot higher. And you can see if I'll put line chart, the day is not over yet, so this candle is not closed, but you can see it's starting to form an uptrend, and this was a W. Huh? So could do an AB equals CD. We had, okay, buy the rumor, sell the news. That was sell the news, $500, not bad. And now we're claiming back up, and we can go to 4,000 or so. Yeah. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. Well, I was expecting a fucking M here, but you can see straight down. We had an M on 4-hour chart, but on daily, look at it. Straight up, straight down. Not the best, but the prices on altcoins didn't move too much. So we still have time to hunt there. On 4-hour chart, everyone saw the DCM here. Yeah, breaking down. You can see try to bounce from this support and resistance, but no. No, I think we can push lower. And some altcoins could outperform Bitcoin. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, on 4-hour chart, I think I showed you exactly in time. Yeah. Big W, breakout, bearish divergence, range, Wyckoff check distribution. Wyckoff distribution actually. And you can see Wyckoff check here, W, yeah? Breakout retest, and it's gone. Ethereum is getting stronger and stronger here. Let's wait for the news today, but what I see here on 4-hour chart and even on daily, I see some strength on Ethereum against Bitcoin. Could be this could be the bottom. Yeah, anything is possible. So why not? But nice way to respect this Wyckoff check, and you can see tested, made a W on 4-hour chart, pushed higher, retest, and now it's allowed to push a lot higher. Let's just wait and see what will happen. But seeing morning Hania, morning Stefan, seeing the Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin here, trying to bounce, trying to push back up, makes me think that altcoins still have a chance. Let's wait. We bought a lot of altcoins. Even yesterday, I updated the last chance challenge. So go and update if you are using that challenge. Go and put the orders. Most of the orders are below the market, so you can go and market and just buy market straight. It's up to you. But seems like here, let's see, maybe we can form a bigger W, consolidate a little bit more. I don't know. But seems like altcoins still have a chance to bounce. And when I'm talking about bounce on altcoins, I'm not talking about 20%. I'm talking about sell half on a double at least. So at least a double. Okay, let's follow this chart entire week, and maybe we can get more information. DXY, well, back, and it's still here between these three levels. I like it to stay there. That's the best way for DXY. That will help us to frame and respect the TA without looking every time at DXY. Yeah, hit the like button if you like the content. If you don't like the content, please hit the dislike button. Okay, so now let's go on Bitcoin on 1 hour chart. Yeah, we finished the overview. Let's see what we have here. As you can see, swing low, swing high, pretty basic. Long reload zone bounce from 61.8 initially, and I said, well, usually the mountain man, the market has to be really strong for this this bounce to hold. Usually it's just a dead cat bounce and market goes back down in long reload zone. And you can see, had a fake out here, nice W, and we said, well, this W it's outside of the long reload zone, so not the best location. And against an EM, and you can see what happened, EMing out, pushing back down in the long reload zone. We had a scalp here in this area, stop us out. I made a free trade, I closed 50% on that scalp just to be damn sure I don't have open risk. And you can see, took that, and now is making a W here. We still have 18 minutes until this candle will close, but you can see the W. What I don't like about this W, well, the neckline, it's above 61.8. I don't like that. But at the same time, this W with some bullish divergence on MACD, RSI, seems like OBV will confirm, will make a W also. So this could be the W we are waiting. Well, I think we have a 2-to-1 if we'll push back up here at 68,500, something like that. Still, on 1 hour chart, for me it's a bit too big. Let's frame. Let's see where we have a 2-to-1. Well, not bad. Not bad. Just a bit above 61.8. So, we can do better than that. Stefan, what do you say? We can manage. We broke the structure here on lower time frame, so we can play your setup. And if you are framing an SS setup, please post it on Premium also, so Premium members will benefit from it. Taking this W, I don't think it's a good idea. Why? You have just a 2-to-1 until here. If you like it, well, take it, but when after the retest, just move your stop higher at the scratch. Yeah. So Stefan, here we are breaking this structure. We are making a W. You can play your SS setup here on lower time frame, 15-minute chart, maybe 5-minute chart. We should hunt some long ideas here. Yeah, this big W, no, I don't like it. Okay, you can take this one on 1 hour. You can take it, but keep in mind, you need the market to push to 68,600 to have a 2-to-1 risk to reward. Okay, now let's go on Ethereum and see what we have. We had this uptrend channel. We said goodbye to the uptrend channel, and you can see what's happening. We are going sideways here. Anyway, pretty strong. I don't have a setup. We can play a lower time frame with Holy Grail. Yeah, 5-minute chart probably will give us something. Let's just see, maybe. You can see the W here. Let's see Holy Grail. Well, it's starting something. You can see. Yeah. So Holy Grail is starting to print here. If we'll retrace back and we'll give you an entry, why not? You can see we have a step. We are stepping up again. So it will be a valid entry with Holy Grail if you have access. Now let's close the Holy Grail and go back on 1 hour. Here. For the moment, I don't like what I see on Classic. Yeah. Similar idea, Stefan. You can play the SS setup if you like it. Don't chase, don't market buy. Wait for a dip and then long. Don't. Well, it's bullish. Well, not quite. This was an uptrend. This is a downtrend, and we are still in that downtrend. If you don't see it, I'll show it to you. So how you make a channel? Take this high. Take the next high, and then you take the low between these two levels. So we have 1, 2, and we take the low. Okay, so now you can see we have a downtrend, and it's pretty valid here. This one is not valid anymore, but this one is. And you have a downtrend. High, low, lower high, lower low. We are trying internally, we are trying to change that, to make high, low, high, higher low and higher high. We are trying to do that now, but on 4-hour chart, I think, or even on 1 hour, this is a clear downtrend. So when I see up, down, I decide to play the range game or hunt with Holy Grail if I can on lower time frame. I don't have a setup on Ethereum at this point in time, but if we'll retrace, here I'll, even if we have a downtrend, if I'll see a fake out here, okay, maybe I'll scalp short, but I prefer to hunt long ideas here. Let's see the other ones. Well, you can see Pixel a lot lower. This was a fake out, stop us out, okay, but look at it now. Okay, big long reload zone here. I don't like the equal lows here, exactly on the dot, but you can see W in the long reload zone with bullish divergence. I'll take this W, sorry. With the equal lows, I have to take this W. I just have to take it. It's a general setup there. I'll hunt 2 to 1 and I'll trail if will be the case. But I'll be honest, it's what we are expecting from the market. You can see W at 78.6 from this way. I will delete this one just to clear, but we are making a W at the 78.6 line. With bullish divergence, I think it's good. Okay. If Bitcoin will drop, we'll break all the setups we are doing, but who knows. Bitcoin is making the same W, we discussed that. Solana, well, left the channel like Ethereum. Taking this one here, well, this fake out was the trade on Solana, I'll be honest. This was the trade and was too late for me in the night, and I said, fuck it, let's see what will develop until the morning, because today we have big news. But this was the bottom. You already should be in a 2 to 1 risk to reward, risk free anyway. And was pretty obvious here. Not on lower time frame, 5-minute chart, but on 50-minute chart. Reclaiming here, you can see W, reclaiming and retesting. Yeah, that was the entry. 178. We missed it. Next time. Next bus. Now don't chase here. Wait for a retest, wait for a new setup. And guys, learn to look at the market like this. Lower highs, lower lows on 50-minute chart. That's a downtrend. Higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Uptrend. Yeah? Depending on the time frame, you can see where the market is going just looking at this. Higher highs, higher lows, uptrend. Double top, change the structure. YM. Lower highs, lower lows, downtrend. Fake out, W. Yeah? Pushing higher. Higher highs, higher lows. Up. Pretty simple. Learn to see the market like that. Watch thousands and thousands of charts, and then you'll be able to say, well, this looks uppy, this looks, and you'll see the market a lot easier. Learn to first put it manually. Okay, this is a higher high, this is a lower high, and so on. But at some point in time, you'll just see the chart. Okay, so on Solana, no setup for the moment. Let's go back on 1 hour chart. Still a valid bot setup. Here you can see one low. We have the second one. Let's wait on higher time frame. But in the same time, I draw this trend line. Now you can see it's well respected. W the other side, and I have a setup. As you can see, I'm not looking at the short ideas on altcoins, and I have a reason for that. Similar here. Yeah, we are trying to break the structure here. You can see lower highs, lower lows, and now low, high, higher low, higher high. A bit too aggressive, but it's trying to do something. If you'll see accepting above 1.58, then you can buy the dip. Well, I like this one, W at 78.6. I love this one for a long. I'm already long on this one, I'll tell you honestly. I took this one without a question, without anything. I saw this W at 78.6, I just took it. It's that simple. And I'll take a 3 to 1, I don't know, I'll trail the rest. We'll do something. But I took the trade. You can, here, you can wait for a retest and you can take the trade if you want. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I'm doing with my own portfolio and my own money. The rest is up to you. So, IEVO, I'm long already. You can buy the retest. And probably it's better to wait for the retest. Ton. At the neckline, this was framed on 4-hour chart and I said it's a bit ugly, but this one is strong and you can see hold it. And now we have kind of a Adam and Eve and things like that, yeah. Just that this time Eve it's a bit strange. But it's there. You can see cup and handle, call it whatever you want. Yeah? 1, 2, 3 lows to protect your stop loss. Neckline. Entry here, stop loss here, and you have three lows to protect your stop loss. Target as high as possible. So the trade is there. The rest is up to you. Bullish divergence, you can see it. Everything is there. That's why I framed this one, because I liked it. And you can see hold the lows in the yesterday dump. Manta. Well, nothing we can do here. Just wait. Pyth. Well, this one, it's an old trade. And you can see when you are taking a bot on 4-hour chart, will take a long time. And you can see W, breakout, and we said we should not move our stop here because we didn't have the retest of the W. And now we have that retest. You can take that setup now? Yes. If you have it, keep it. Yeah. 3 to 1 risk to reward, I think it's a good idea. Alt is trying to do something nice there. You can see I'm on 4-hour chart, we are below 78.6, some support here, and he's trying to outsmart, to do something nice here. Let's see 4-hour chart indicators. Nothing special, some bullish divergence here on RSI, on MACD, but let's go on 1-hour chart. So let me show you, let me tell you something, I don't know. Hopefully some of you will learn my method. I'm looking at 4-hour chart. I see location. Okay. I'm below 78.6. That's good. Looking left, some support and resistance. I see here a 3-bar fractal fired already. I see some bullish divergence on MACD. That makes me think I should go on lower time frame to hunt a setup, a proper setup. And if I'll go on 1 hour, yeah, on 1 hour, well, I don't see that bullish divergence anymore, but I could see here W near RSI, W on OBV, good location, and W in price. I want to take this one. Well, even if I don't have more than that, what I have here is a fucking small window of risk. So the risk reward is great in this case. If this one will pump, and will pump, well, I could make some money. So I'll take this W. Yeah, definitely. Location is too damn good. On higher time frame, we have already bullish divergence. This could be a fake out, taking the lows and then push higher. Yeah, I'll assume that risk. But the risk reward is good, so I'll be profitable on the long run. I don't care what will happen this time. So the setup is there. If you want to play SS setup here, Stefan, it's up to you. You can go and play it on 5-minute chart. I'll take this entire W because the window of risk is 3%, more than enough for me. Okay. Now, that's alt. Let's go back on 4-hour chart and hunt the the next one. E-gold. Well, kind of power of 3 here. I don't see the trade. I don't like this. Yeah, man. This is resistance now. Give me a clear setup here. Still a valid bot if you want to play the bot setup, but you are back at one low. So we are on one low, push higher, second low, third low, and then you have an entry. It's too high for my taste because we are not in the long reload zone anymore. We are up. We rejected from 61.8. So either we'll go deeper in the long reload zone and we'll form a W, either we'll play with this bot setup. Pretty simple. So if we'll form this to be one low, second, third low, okay, we can play around. For the moment, I don't have anything on e-gold. Fat. Good location, and that's it. I said I'll wait more. I don't see here. Maybe we'll consolidate, maybe we'll do something nice, maybe not. Who knows? Well, bot setup here. Well, it's still valid. Still valid. You can see we have to break below 66% to cancel the bot setup. But we are back at the same level. Let's see what we have here. I don't like the location here. I like that we have some support. Let's see on 1 hour. Well, there you go. You want to scalp? You want to day trade? Well, that's a trade. Okay. It's not perfect, but it's there. And you can get a 3-to-1 pretty fast, just testing the highs again. You can see, confirming here, bullish divergence we had some. If Bitcoin will hold the level, this one will pump. Look at Bitcoin dominance and you'll see it why I'm saying that. You want to wait for more? Well, it's up to you. But if you are a trader and you want to trade, choose one of these 2 or 3 setups I showed you. Take 1 or 2, live with the results, and that's it. Okay, if you have requests, please type in the chat. I don't see too many requests lately. So if you have something, type in the chat. I'll gladly take a look. So we spoke about the general. We overviewed the market. We looked on this short list. We can look further, but for this live stream, I think this list is more than enough. Calendar, we discussed it. Big news. The best you can do, I'll be honest, best you can do is just close everything, go outside, do something else. That's the best. We have the community, we are live streaming, that's why we are here, and we can scalp between them. That doesn't mean we'll be profitable. Maybe we will, maybe we will not. Twitter, as usual. I'll try to, let's see how much time I have. I'll try to make some short videos to post them straight on Twitter. Yeah? Maybe that will help our community a little bit. Whales, I specifically left this one here. You can see I'm waiting here at 15 cents. And someone just said enough is enough. Yeah? We don't have a bottom, but it's looking attractive. If I'll put the daily chart and I'll look at the location, guys. Okay, look at the location. I'm not saying don't put more than 1% in this one. It's just a shitcoin. Yeah, has some utility, has a working product. Okay, but don't sell your house for this one. I think everyone has some coins here. Could stay here for a long period of time, but in the end, this one will probably pump and make you a 10x. You just need to have patience. Okay, guys, that's about it from my part. I don't see requests. I don't see anything else. A lot of people understood already that it's a big news day and they should stay out. And they are not participating here. That's good. Do something else. Touch some grass like they say. We'll be here, we'll trade on VIP, we'll trade in the New York session, we'll play the market. Let's see if we have time, me or Stefan, at the end of the day to live stream in the news for half an hour, just for fun, popcorn meet kind of idea. Until then, see you guys later. Protect your capital, specifically today. Be more careful than usual. Well, for the moment, watch the Bitcoin dominance, Tolga. I saw your question. Bitcoin dominance will tell us that. And we need a stable Bitcoin. Even Bitcoin, if Bitcoin will drop to 60 or 55, doesn't matter. Drop there and stay flat for a couple of weeks. And that will dip the altcoins and then they'll pump. They just need a safer environment. The attention now it's on, for the moment, is still on Bitcoin and Ethereum. But that's normal. When the attention will shift from Bitcoin entirely or more on Ethereum, and you'll see Ethereum pumping, then you know that's a good sign to think. But you'll see signs in Bitcoin dominance. Seeing a summer rally, it's usual. You don't see a summer rally. Look at in the past when you had the last exponential move in the summer was meh. So let's wait level by level. Playing setups, Tolga. Predicting the market, what will happen, will not help us too much. Okay, see you guys later. Protect your capital, please. Bye bye.